Hey guys, I'm Chaturang and welcome to Web Services Part 1 in My Web Engineer. So let's move on to our tutorial. Okay, uh, in our introduction, let's discuss about something page by page architecture. You might know or you might not know about this architecture. So what is this page by page web architecture? It is actually in old day of internet. There are only plain documents and images and links together with those things. So those things define the internet in these days. So that was the standard way of internet that time. You might not feel that thing in future, so let's go back. Okay, let's go back and have some example with this guy Wayback Machine. So give me a little break, find out our Wayback Machine here. So this is archive.org/web. This guy keep most of websites snapshots in earlier time. So let's go to W3 School's old website. So I'm going to go through step by step. So let's go here and browse the history. This is previous search I have done. Take a little bit of time. And here in 2000 they have launched the W3 School sites, and let's go 2000. Here in first snapshot is in August, so let's click on it and it will open in a new window, sorry, new tab. So this is the way of old W3 School websites. So you can see here just plain HTML is there, it's links, so no images I can see there, but later version, let's go somewhere here. Okay, still I can't see images here, but let's go to some link. Yeah, here we have, right? So let's inspect those things, no big deals. So you can see here it's just a GIF file. Those all things are just images, links and paragraph or contents. So these things define all web. So let's come back to our presentation. We start it. Okay, so what happened in nowadays? So we have to let's see what happened in these days. In nowadays, after Web 2.0 is introduction, so the whole idea of web is changed actually. So in new days, what has happened is something like this. There are clients, that means you, your computer, your mobile phone, or any kind of devices are there. These things act as clients, and server machines are on the internet. So through the internet, we are connecting to the server machines. So what has happened is web browser, let's say it's your desktop. So web browser send a request to the web server, and the web server then give you the result back, and the browser keep the website in the browser itself. So when some content want to load, so what happened is without refreshing the browser, it send a request to the web server machine again. So web server what it is doing is it's processing that request and send it back to the client, that your machine. So let's see some example of those kind of thing. Go back here, and I have some website in here. So I just pick up this website randomly. Let's inspect this website a little bit so we can easily understand it. Let's go to the net section and XHR request. So refresh the browser. Right, you can see those get requested, right? So just keep scrolling a little bit. You can see these marks, that means the site is loading, right? So let's go to some get request here. Okay, let's go to this request. Its response is, let's look the response. So response is just HTML, plain HTML. Okay, let's put it here and scroll a little bit down, and let's go to here. Okay, we can see that the request is made while we are scrolling, as well as we can see here the response. The response is a JSON response. It contains JSON data, JavaScript object notation data. So here it shows some nice way. Don't worry guys, it might not clear what JSON is right now, but let be clear while we are continuing our tutorial. Okay, what I just show you is how now modern web is using web services, doing this kind of thing. So to get full details, you have to go to our website, My Web Engineer, and read this article, Web Services 1, as well as I'm going to add this video here, and so you can enjoy this video. So next tutorial will be a little bit interested, and we are hoping and we are planning to demonstrate you some simple web service implemented in PHP alongside with our tutorial. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in next tutorial.